Welcome to Kate's Kitchen. Today we're making cinnamon plum cake. First we'll make the streusel. The ingredients you need are sugar, cinnamon, flour, butter. Preheat the oven to 350. Now add the dry ingredients in the bowl and cut in the butter. Next we're going to make the cake. These are the ingredients you need. Flour, butter, egg, baking powder, salt, sugar, milk, and vanilla. Now mix the dry ingredients and cut in the butter. Mix till it resembles crumbs. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients. And stir. Whoops, I dropped it. How'd this get so clean? Oh, so it just cleaned itself? Now add the weird stuff into the pan. After you're done smoothing the batter, put the crumbled topping. Move it around. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. Make sure to like and subscribe. And join us next time for strawberry parfait pie.